Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato gazpacho. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, 1 crisp cucumber, and 1 vibrant bell pepper. Don't forget 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic for depth of flavor. Also, have ready 2 slices of stale bread, 1/4 cup of good olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. These simple components are the foundation of a delicious gazpacho. Now let's prepare our produce. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, onion, and garlic. There's no need for precision here as everything will be blended. For a smoother gazpacho, remove the seeds from both the bell pepper and the cucumber. Finally, tear your 2 slices of stale bread into small pieces and let them soak in a little water or a splash of red wine vinegar. This helps thicken the soup. It's time to blend. Carefully transfer all your chopped vegetables, along with the soaked bread, into a high-speed blender. Pour in the 1/4 cup of olive oil and the 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You might need to blend for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve the perfect consistency. Almost ready to enjoy. Once blended, pour your gazpacho into a large pitcher or a serving bowl. The most crucial step now is to chill it thoroughly. Place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows all the vibrant flavors to meld and intensify beautifully. Serve your perfectly chilled gazpacho with a final drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.